still very busy. See all these red outlined areas shaded in? Tornado watches. Some of these go as late as 5 in the morning. So this is definitely going to be an overnight threat for a lot of us. Let's go ahead and zone in on a few areas. Here's northeastern Tennessee. Bristol still under a severe thunderstorm warning. We've seen some humongous hail too, up to baseball in size in some areas. So even though we don't have tornado warnings, baseball size hail can kill you if you're outside in this thunderstorm warning and if you get hail that large. This is one of many reasons why you want to be indoors where you have some shelter. Here's the Gainesville area. In between Gainesville and Blairsville, still watching some thunderstorms that are showing rotation. So it gets us a little worried. So tornado warnings for the following cities and counties goes until 11:30 Eastern time. So about another 15-20 minutes on this. A lot of times they get reissued, so you don't want to let your guard down. Plus, there's so much action off to our west still. So even though this thunderstorm cell is going to be through some of these areas at the following times, there's still much more off to your west. And this is exactly what we're talking. Places like Clermont, through Mossy Creek, right down to Cornelia. And here are the following times. So we're taking this out almost a good 30 to 45 minutes to try and give you a heads up. Zooming back out, here's Alabama. Birmingham, basically situated in between two lines of thunderstorms right now. Just to your north and west, things are getting interesting again, unfortunately. And here we go off towards your south and east. We still have a couple of tornado warnings. Anytime you see anything outlined in red on a smaller scale versus the tornado watches, it's going to be a warning. Tornado warnings meaning it's either Doppler radar indicated tornado or someone has spotted it on the ground. Either way, you want to heed these warnings. Get indoors, get away from the windows, go to your safe place. Here are the following areas and the times we expect this thunderstorm cell to be in your backyard. And there are many more thunderstorms out here as well. So it's not just Alabama. We're going to show you a few other spots as well, but a little bit farther south in Alabama now. Here's one cell pushing on through. It's about to roll into a couple of other counties. This is why you see 2 warnings for the following cities and counties, folks, until at least 10:30 Central. As we look back off towards the west, even more action. But first, let's show you just a few other cities that could be impacted by this cell. Right in through here as it races east, and you can see there's another nasty one right behind it. So you have a couple of warnings here. So here are the cities and the times where we expect these thunderstorm cells to be in your backyard. And as of last count now, over 90 reports, tornado reports out there. Doesn't mean we had over 90 tornadoes, just over 90 reports of tornadoes. Sometimes the same tornado will get several reports, but still, we're in roughly 700 reports of severe weather overall. Just unbelievable there. There's Alexandria in Virginia. That line of thunderstorms will be pushing south of you. Here's the forecast as we go through the day tomorrow. Primary risks, low chance of tornadoes. So that's good. Things are improving slowly but surely. But as this cold front begins to slow down, flooding can be a huge concern. Plus, still enough energy in the atmosphere to get us some spotty, damaging wind gusts. And I also wouldn't be surprised if hail is a little bit of a concern as well. So this system taking its sweet time. That means for places like Atlanta, back towards, let's say, Birmingham, right down towards the Gulf Coast.